Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show you these eco washing balls that I got off Amazon. I'll put similar links to this down below. But this is what I use to wash my clothes when I don't use detergent, and these are amazing. I wanted to show you how they work. This is a garment that I'm about to wash, and we're going to see what it looks like after it's done. I still use stain removers. I still use bleach. They will not affect the clothes in any way. They're super safe. Even if you want to put a little teeny bit of detergent in there, you can if you want to. But I just start the load as normal. I let them soak in there for about 20 minutes. I only do this if it's the first load of the day. But if I'm washing clothes back to back, I don't worry about that. They still come out great. As you can see here, the garment is clean. This is amazing, you guys. I'll leave everything in the description box below. And thanks for watching.